Hello, welcome back to Doug's Shit Show. It is I, your humble host, Doug. It's been a day or two. I think it's Sunday. Jesus Christ. It's Sunday, and we're going to try to work a little on the ventilation and see if I can't get interrupted. I've already gotten the vent put in up here. Kimball, thank you. So the fan is in with some venting going through. What I'm going to do is go over to the stairs, get up into the roof, install from above the, we have this. So I'm going to put it into the ceiling. We're going to stick it through, plop, so that then we don't have to support this from the top. We just need to tape the vent to it. Right. Cool stovepipes. I'm gonna stick a zip tie or two around it to increase the diameter on the top side, and that should prevent it from falling down. There isn't gonna be enough weight, I don't think, from the hosing. So the hoses, it's gonna be really dope. I can just cut a length. It'll work. It's gonna work dope. It's gonna work great. I was just looking, and it looks like I may not have to run the other hose all the way over into the out for two reasons. One, we're dissipating everything up into this huge wide cavity that is the sub ceiling up here. So it's gonna be away from everybody. And three, I think I lose too much exhaust power going over that length. So I'm going to err on the side of more is more. And this isn't less, it's just more is more. So we're going to see how this does. We're gonna run prints. We're gonna see if there's any exhaust that we can smell that we may need, because I'll be able to smell the 3D printing fumes and stuff outside of this if it's not in enough exhaust pull. I can up the fan to increase the exhaust pull. There's a few things I can do outside of just like running more hosing 20 feet for no real reason than to run it for 20 feet. So I mean, it's got some pressure. I'm not too impressed with it right now. I think we're gonna need to step it up a fan. I don't think I have enough exhaust, but for right now, we're gonna see what it does. This is version A, all right? If it doesn't work out, the only thing I really need to change is gonna be the fan downstairs. Later. It's been about a day or two since we've installed the exhaust, and I've had a chance to think on it. So there was something that was really bugging me about all of this, right? Is when I turned it on, and we were on full tilt, absolutely full tilt. It didn't seem like it was blowing anything. Oh, hello, welcome to this. So here's the hole right here. You may not be able to see it very well. There, I can feel some draft coming across it. Here's this. See? I can blow on it. Very little effort. Moves it, right? Yeah, that's a problem. So, my idea was, let's go to Home Depot and find the biggest one that is still a 6-inch diameter, so we didn't have to really mess with the flange too much, and we would still have a flange to go over it and everything like that. Well, while I was in Home Depot, I couldn't find in the area one that I thought would work better, right? There was one that was larger, but it was still just a boost fan for inline HVAC. So didn't think it was working. Called the guy over that works at Home Depot. We started having a chit chat, and he made me remember that I used to have a profession a few years back, growing that old sticky icky. And I had to make a grow room by scratch and had to learn all about cubic feet and all of that. And it came up like a flash, literally a supernova in my brain. Why not go get a grow room inline 6-inch fan? There was a grow store here in town, so we went and found that place. And tell you what, brings back some old memories. Not that old, but you know what I mean. So we went and got this bad mamma jamma. Let me just point out some of these dope features to you. We got a 6-inch flange. We already have a 6-inch flange over there ready to go. That's super sick. Then we also have, it's quiet and efficient, mixed flow design, none of that matters. What we really care about is right here. That says 400 CFM. That fan, maybe 110 at its best peak performance, which will degrade over time. This is 4 times the amount of airflow that we need. So if this doesn't move, that napkin, I don't know what will. So yeah, and then we just got also a fan speed control unit. This is just plug in line, and we can dictate how fast we want this to move, because I don't think we need all 400 CFM. We probably would need around 250, maybe less, but we will see. I watched a video where somebody was like, and end scene, or bam, make a noise, and I was just like, end scene. All right, so flange. This is the fan, right? This is it. It's a little bigger, right? This is what we're going to. Yeah. Yeah, they both have a 6-inch outlet, but that girth though. Oh, this is dope. I can already tell this is gonna be super sick. Let's go back up and test it. Okay, so we're gonna plug it in and we're gonna put this on 1. It's on 1. She's holy shit. Oh yeah? Watch this. Okay. Okay. I don't even think we need a variable control unit. Look at that. That's just gonna be on setting 1 from now on. Holy shit. All right, so there's that space right here. Take here. It needs to get filled. It's the width of a 2x4 so that we can seal off the whole room for 3D printing. Just gonna measure it, cut it to size, attach it. Super simple. Why, hello, welcome back to, Doug Shit Show. So the plan is today, we got in the curtaining. It goes here to there. So things I would like to do is to finish getting this cleaned up, get everything pulled off of it, finish up. There's a gap in the vent over here, the wood that we put up for the venting. So I want to fill that gap. I want to paint everything black like it should be. I want to make sure that everything's straight, good to go. I'm gonna give that a few minutes and we'll be back with a big black rolled up curtain. All right, you're with me. All right, the paint's done drying. Now we gotta work with this. It's really nice, big vinyl, oh, do you mind focus? Vinyl curtain made to go over that whole area. It's got metal inside of it, so we can use big old magnets that we got. So the biggest thing now is to get it up and get it mounted. All right, yes. That was pretty dope. I don't think we'll notice a big difference until we block off the other end, but it definitely quiets it down too. A lot, which is gonna be dope. I think just get a bunch of the smaller cabinet screws, pan heads that I have, drop them in, and I think I do want to put another one down here. But I think for today, we're gonna call it. We have a doctor's appointment we got to get to. We got to clean up around here. So thank you for joining me on this part of the project. Like, subscribe for all the next fun shit. I'm gonna try to piece these out differently. Still got a couple more things we want to do with this, but we have some other projects still. Tool area, tables, all sorts of things. So thank you very much. Tune in. Thank you.